But the issue of mental illness you should consider. And if you decide that there's some mental health issues, I'm not gonna persuade you not to. It's to be considered in the light of the Miller factors. This is not an insanity defense hearing that was withdrawn. And I think this is an attempt to divert. And if it's an attempt to get compassion, he has it. He's got my compassion. I can do both things. You can do both things. We all have to do both things. We have to deal with the darkness and the violence, and we have to accept that it happened. And we can also say, we wish he had had a better upbringing. But we're not going to ignore facts. And the facts are that he had a choice. He had many opportunities. He plotted, he planned, he showed none of the mitigating factors and evidence that you see in hundreds of other juvenile life without parole cases. And I'm going to ask the court once again to rely on the testimony and the truth. The issue of what the school should have done or what somebody else should have done is not, it is not relevant, and it's not a mitigating factor. And blaming somebody else for not stopping a school shooter is for a different proceeding. But it is absolutely not inconsistent with saying that he made choices evaluating him, the offender, and the offense. He is guilty. He pled guilty, and he should serve the rest of his life in prison.